To all new parents out there, this video is just for you. These amazing tools will make your life with a baby much easier. Do you always leave your baby essentials in the car seat? Say goodbye to the mess with this fun car seat storage. A baby play area like this is a safe place for entertaining your kids. When babies start climbing, they reach out for every corner, so better stay safe with these baby-proofing tools. Stairs with a stroller can be a real struggle, but you can never go wrong with this portable folding stroller. We love how helpful all of these products are. You really save yourself time. Engaging your toddler enjoying activities can sometimes be a mess, but not with this electronic desk. They can easily draw with markers. Baby-proofing your apartment helps preventing injuries. On to our next. These baby bed barriers will help you when you leave your baby sleeping. Are you guys enjoying these products as much as we are? You can use this baby chair not only for feeding, but also giving your baby a bath. Wow! It's amazing the amount of things you can do with this fun baby chair. Special play area for your baby. So, what did you guys think of these amazing products? Do you agree that they make your life with a baby easier? Let us know in the comments below.